All right. We gonna make these smash burgers up in the kitchen. We up in the kitchen. We live in the kitchen right now.
Perfect.
We ain't gonna use nothing. Damn, where all the seeds? Shit, we gonna use what we got right here. Bam. Pepper. Cause this ain't the important part anyway. Bam, a little black people salt. Don't worry about how much. It's all good. A little bit of that other salt. Don't worry about the salt. It's about going down with that smash. Oh no, this ain't gonna work. So if you got these, this is trash. Get that out of here. Baby, where the metal joint? Bam. Come on one of these. You grip that thing like that. Oh shit. That's some good ass beef. So when your beef like that, it ain't nothing. Add a little water to it, soften that beef up. These good, real thick patties. So you soften that beef up. You soften that beef up a little bit. Just soften that beef up. It ain't time for it to smash all the way down. You know, these is big. These Texas style. You see, so why it didn't matter? Because we use all the seasoning. Because we still gonna let that seasoning cook down. So I like to go ahead and add some peppers up in that joint. Not no peppers. Scratch that. What I add to that joint, cook? Well, we got some cut up onion. So where? Bam. My wife said I gotta cut the onion up. Real men in the kitchen cut up onions.
Perfect.
Bang. Cutting up onion with a butter knife. Cut that thing off right there. Gotta get you one of these, y'all. This thing's about 99 cents. But you can just pop these mugs wherever. You can pop, nah, don't do that. I'm gonna step over here and chop this up. With the butter knife though. Live in the kitchen. This is what the butter knife did, y'all. This how I cut it off. See, so bam, I'm coming in there right with the butter knife. This all stuff, we just live from the kitchen. We just hungry, and we live from the kitchen. Hashtag food. I'm in the kitchen, bro. Hold on. Woo. Bam, bro. It's about the flavor. We just want that flavor in that thing. See that onion up in there? Bam, get some more of that onion. I'm gonna start growing some of them Waukee onions, bro, for this type of joint. Cause I want the juices all in there and everything. See how I cut that thing off, bro? See? Bam, skin and all, bro. It's all good. It's all good, bro. You know what I'm saying? Cause you in the kitchen, bro. My bad, facing that. You in the kitchen, you hungry anyway. You know what I'm saying? Make sure, look, boom. Out of here. Put your meat up, dog. Put your meat up. Put your meat back in the refrigerator so stuff don't get contaminated, bro. Wash your hands, bro, every time, bro. Wash your hands. That's key, bro. All this is cleanliness. You don't want to be cooking your burger and then you don't cook your burger. Take some of that stuff out. We were just throwing in there. We was being messy. Take some of that shit out. You know what I'm saying? Look, we got a lot of onion, so I put some more water in that joint. I right over the sink it, dog. I just right over the sink that did. You feel what I'm saying? Boom, that's just a little bronzer, bro. Turn that over. Turn that joint over. The seasoning in the water. We don't need no more seasoning. Unless you just want to season. I don't do a lot. All right, I'm back, y'all. The phone had went dead. But you see how them burgers smash down? See how they smashing down good now, boy? That's some good. That's some good. Turn that fire down. Let them cook so fast. Put it on about halfway. A little bit less than halfway. This is an electric burner. I'm cooking on electric stove or whatever. Keep that thing even. And bro, I keep adding water. See how pink that one is? That's because the way the phone was and the way this pot. See how that pot like that? It's an old pot. It's live from the kitchen though. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm just helping brothers eat. I'm gonna throw some more water on this joint, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna throw some more water on there. I'm gonna put it on halfway. And when I mean halfway, mine goes from low to high. And then they got a few notches all the way 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then they got high. So I guess that's what, 1 through 9, 10 lot notches. Whatever it is, you get the point. A little bit less than high. And you let that rock out, bro. Let that rock out. Same time, bro. Boom. Y'all hip on the air fryer? Oh, y'all hip on the air fryer? Oh, shit. Y'all hip on the air fryer joint? If not, y'all gotta get y'all one of them joints, bro. Look, your wife playing sleep. She bullshit. Bam. Get you some of them organic Aldi fries. Dot. Get you a bop. No, shoot. Bop. Yeah, because we ain't using no grease, bro. Bop. Me and my wife gonna eat some. Or I might just have hella. You see, you want it layered up good. You want it layered up good like that, bro. You want to spread out even, bro. See how that spread out even? Then bam, just popped it in the air fryer. I ain't gonna show you how to air fry because everybody look different. I don't want y'all to be like, E, I thought you said. Nah, nigga, don't try to. You know what I'm saying? Bam. I set the time on that joint. Bam, my joint ready. You know what I'm saying? Right next to the phone, right next to the cast, all that. Boom. Let me get this burger. See, you see the burger ain't really cooking because the pot uneven. Now let me move this over here. If you got any pieces like this, like when I got stuff like this that's pink that it came off, I don't be really trying to. So I got my little dog. So I literally take that piece, right? I got my dog. Let me take y'all off camera right quick, so I can show y'all what I'm talking about. Hey, Juice. I got my little dog and see, I get that beef and look how she do. So we back. The burger's almost done, y'all. It's been having a rough time recording. I'm gonna have to get me one of them Samsung phones with the portable drives. That's the one thing about iPhone. Y'all remember when you used to be able to fill up a memory card and demo that phone out and put everything on that joint and you just be good? Now they done switched phones up. You can't do that no more, man. But anyway, this how the burger's looking. You see, this one's still super clean, bro. This one is still super clean. I'm in here yelling at my wife because the phone ain't working. You know what I'm saying? But you see how them onions saute in there? Them onions, bro. See, that's how I like mine. Like, almost like that Salisbury steak, bro. We used to eat back in the day. I seen a video the other day, dude was talking about that Salisbury steak. The kind in the, you probably ain't had that growing up, Corey, huh? You had too much money for that. That kind that's in the, that come in the little tray. Bruh, I'm gonna have to edit it out with one of them bruh sounds. Come on, bruh. In the tray. You know that come in a little tray like a TV dinner tray. You put the whole joint in the refrigerator. Salisbury steak tray, they had a little plastic over the top. Bam, you open that mug up. Yeah, so you don't know. Bam, did I get the cheese? Bam, because the burger's good, bro. They've been cooking a while. Get the cheese, I just lap that right on there. At this point, bro, I put it all the way down on the low. Let it just, because I really want my cheese to melt. And I want time to find another pot because I got a special treat in store. We gonna make toast. So I'm gonna cut the video off because I ain't got a lot of memory. But y'all see how they going, how they looking. This how it's gonna be. You just let that sit. Look. Get you the paper towel, boys. Bam. Bam. Get the boy like that. Bam. Get a little plate. Watch out, watch out. Bam. Get a little plate. I know I got a ratchet plate, but it's like, and then you just gonna use this, scoop them off, bam, on the plate. Let that grease drain off. And we gonna be right back. I'm gonna get another pot. I'm gonna be back with y'all because we gonna make the toast. Yeah, y'all, anyway, so, no, don't try that. Don't try the tomato with the butter knife. That ain't popping. Okay, I burnt the fries too. So this how them turned out. But they straight. Some people like a little extra done, well done, what they call it. That's how my wife, hey, damn. That's how my wife get them at the Wingstop. Shout out anybody that get, they're like, that's well why. Anyway, I just go in right with the fingers, man. At this point, y'all see what time it is. I'm going in. You know, so at this point, we just trying to eat. We ain't got the mayonnaise we need. But we gonna make it do what it do. And if you don't got mayonnaise, I mean, use a little mustard. I mean, no, not mustard. Use a little butter. If you don't got butter, you know, you don't got a toast. It just tastes so much better with that mayonnaise toast. That's why I'm scraping this like this. There's literally nothing in here.
Perfect.
Nothing. So, we ain't gonna have toast for the next one. The next one just gonna be, I might as well throw the mayonnaise, the ketchup, and mustard on that right now. You know, you get that to the person that don't mind, that wasn't really tripping. So if it's you, do that. If it's your people you cooking for, give it to them. Some people don't care. Some people do. Give them the option. So I'm about to come back with the plates. I'm about to play this. I'll be back. All right, y'all. So I'm back, and this is what I got, y'all. Just a little. Just a burger hookup right quick, man. I got me, I got my wife, some burgers. You know, so check me out. You know, I mean, it's decent, bro. It's definitely decent. So now for the ultimate test, I'm gonna rate this joint. I'm gonna rate that thing right there. Grab that thing right there. I'm gonna rate them on. Yep. There it is, guys. We just made the